Stephen and Ashley are just married. The wedding ceremony was yesterday. And today it's the first day of their honeymoon. They are going to the Maldives. They bought a tour there long before the wedding, chose the best location and conditions for them. The flight is in 2 hours and they have already arrived at the airport. The way there is not so long. It is going to take them about 5 hours only. The 2 weeks are going to be really fun and exciting. They have prepared a fantastic program full of best options this spot can offer them.